Hey guys, today I'm going to be resetting the service light on a 2008 Porsche Cayman, specifically 987.1. So I just got done doing the oil change and the service light keeps or stayed on, and usually this has to be reset by the dealership, and they usually charge quite a bit for this. So I found this computer iCarsoft software for Porsche on Amazon for about $120, and apparently it will do the service reset. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the service light that comes on. You saw that? So I'm gonna turn off the car. So the next step is going to be to connect this computer to a power source, and it's going to be right here, the car lighter port. Then you're going to connect the actual cable to right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and start the process. So I have the computer on, and I'm going to go ahead and click on diagnose. So I'm going to click OK right here. I'm going to go to Porsche. OK. I'm going to go to reset oil lamp. OK. So let's go ahead and work in here. Okay, so ignition on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. All right, the next step is going to be okay. So it's reading the information. Software reset. Automatic scan. Okay. My year is 2008. Okay. The United States. Right here in the top. Miles. So the input for example, if you want to do January 20th, 2016, you have to put 2016-01-20. So I want to do 1 year. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2022 10-01 because that's when I did the service. So okay. So it's going to be 20 22 10 01. Then I'm going to click done. Okay, so it's communicating. So the coding was changed and the car made a sound as well. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And that's pretty much it.
See if the service light or indicator has reset. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car. There you go. Nothing. It worked. I guess $120 investment was worth it.
I hope you guys found this video helpful, and this is a way to do your own service at home and save some money at the same time. If you guys have any further questions, please feel free to send me a message or comment just below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.